Hey guys, this is Ryan with Tonic Site Shop, and in this quick video, I'm going to be going over the trending sections here on the Advanced Blog Expansion Pack. So these sections are basically built out to auto-display a series of posts that are tagged as trending or categorized as trending, which I'll go over in this video. These obviously are missing some content here, but that's because these canvases are set up dynamically so that it's going to auto populate blog posts here for you based on the category that you use or the tag that you use. So it's going to be pretty cool. I'll add a few of these to the page, but they all work the same and they're all already programmed. I just need to show you where you can add that tag. So let's back out. The first thing that you want to do is head over to your blog. This can go on your blog archive page, so your post list page here, which is this or this one. For any of your Showit websites. Or it could go on the single post page. I mean, it could go on any WordPress template page here, but most often people put on the single post or the blog. So let's stick on the single post page here. So we have our template here, and I'm just going to show, back out of that, I'm just going to show desktop only for this. And let's say right underneath the author. So once we're on the page that we want to add that canvas to, we're going to click the three dots and then click Add New Canvas. Under My Library, you're going to see Advanced Blog Expansion Pack number 1. So let's go ahead and click on that. And let's click Trending Sections. So you have a handful of them. You have the first one here. Second one, I like that one. Third also looks really cool. Here's the fourth, so it's just going to be side by side. And then the fifth here. So let's just do the second one. This is going to be a cool one. It's going to have a ton of posts, so I'll show you. But again, we'll add a few of these. I'll show you how it works. So let's go ahead and add that. You're going to see it shows up at the very bottom, but we wanted it underneath our author canvas here. So let's take this and drag it up. And perfect, just like that, we have our trending post. Now, this is already set up for you. You don't have to touch any of the design, and I would recommend not touching any part of the design. Let me show you how this works. So we have a canvas, and the canvas settings were set to post view lookup. You can see the blog post lookup settings here, and what we have is a tag named trending already pre-populated for here, but you can update this if you want, or you can use a category. So I'm going to show you how that works, but let's just leave this tag as trending. Number of posts is set to 8, and that's because we have 8 posts that are all in these canvas views. So this is the first post. We have an image, and the image settings are WordPress featured image. So this is going to be replaced. This image is going to be replaced with the blog post featured image. So you don't have to update manually the blog post image here. You don't have to retype the post title here, anything like that, because this text box under text properties, if we look under WordPress placeholder, it's post title. So this is going to be replaced with the post title. So this image is going to be the featured image, and this is the post title. Now, if we click view 2, you'll see here the same kind of setup, and we have a line going through. So this is going to be the second blog post, the image and the title. And then if we go third, we have the third one, the fourth one, and then the fifth one jumps up over here, and then it just continues down 6, 7, and 8. So we're going to have 8 posts automatically pop up here. And those posts that are going to show here are going to be posts that have been tagged as trending or categorized as trending if we were to write trending up here. Now, let's do that because I think I have some categories already for trending. Now let's go check that out before we publish this and see what it looks like. All right, so we're in our demo account here with our WordPress dashboard. Once you log in, head over to posts and just hover over it, and then you'll see categories and tags. Let's first click on categories, and we have a list of categories here. We have featured, marketing, podcast, travel, and weddings. Over in Showit, we were saying that the category needs to be called trending. And so since we don't have that category, what we could do is we could update the category and Showit to something like featured or podcast. So we can get quick edit and see this slug here. Let's just double click that, copy it, go back over to category, and we can hit podcast. So now in this trending posts, we can have just podcast posts show up. Now we would need to maybe change the title to say something like trending podcast posts or something like that. But let's stick to the original plan here, and we're just going to go back and keep that as trending. So we need to create a new category called trending and then hit add new category. So now we have a trending category. Let's go to all posts. And we need to categorize at least 8 of our blog posts as trending. So I'm going to do a few here. 4 there. Let's scroll down a bit more and let's do 4 more there. Once I have 8 of them selected, I'm going to go up here where it says bulk actions, click edit and apply. And then we have our category list here. And I want to click on trending and then click update. So it's going to add the trending category to all of the posts that I just selected. So you can see here, trending, trending, trending. So now that that's set, let's go back to show it. And what we have is our canvas already set up, and it's going to be looking for 8 posts that have been categorized as trending. So let's go ahead and hit publish. And then let's go head over to our blog here, and we're going to open up a single post because we added this to the single post page here. So let's just click on one of our blog posts here. If we scroll down, we're going to see right after the about area, our new trending post section. So you can see all of these are pre-populated from WordPress, and they're all the ones that we have categorized as trending. And that's it, guys. That's how simple it is. I'll show you another one. If we go to single post, click the 3 dots, add new canvas, hit my library, and then hit the advanced blog expansion pack. Trending sections. Let's do the 3rd one here. Let's hit add. We're going to put that one just underneath the other one like this. And let's call this one podcast posts. Under tag, we can remove that because we're going to be using a category instead. Again, it's all how you guys want to use it. You could use tags or categories. Let's say podcast. And it's already set up to 4 because you can see we have 1 post here, 1 post here, the 3rd post, and the 4th post there. So now that we have our podcast, let's go ahead and hit publish. And this is going to tell Showit to look for 4 blog posts that have been categorized as podcast and display them in those areas. So if we refresh here and we scroll down, we're going to see 4 posts auto-populated here, and all of these posts have been categorized as podcast, which is pretty cool. If you guys have any questions on how this works, please feel free to reach out.